Today we're gonna hike Jones Run, Shenandoah National Park. Pretty cool waterfall. Can't bring my drone, so let's see what we can record.
In Shenandoah National Park, Jones Run is a prominent stream that flows through the park's central and southern regions. Jones Run originates near Black Rock Summit and flows southeast, eventually joining the Rapidan River. It's known for its scenic beauty, especially around the Jones Run Falls, which is a popular hiking destination within the park. Jones Run and its surroundings offer opportunities for hiking, photography, and enjoying the natural beauty of Shenandoah National Park.
Mountain man Jeremy going to get his sign picture. So you think someone's gonna fuck their day up on that thing? I think so. I probably should be backing it in, but we needed to use the tailgate, so I don't want to be a dick, but utility over niceties. Jones Run Falls Trailhead. Okay, so we go up here and follow it to the right, I guess?
I don't know.
Sweet. Hey, it's a walking sticks. Look.
What?
People left their walking sticks, look.
Oh,
It's even smooth at the top.
I was looking for the damn bug. I was like, what?
Look. It's even smooth at the top. That's nice.
So we've already made a wrong turn. Not even an 1/8 mile into this hike, and we're already backtracking.
At least
Yep.
we can still see the road, like we're not actually lost yet.
Oh well,
I'm filming you filming.
the little victories, I guess.
Oh yeah. That's beautiful.
Look at the top of it?
Yeah. Now that's more like 40 foot. That boys ain't made to hike.
Having fun yet? Having a great time. Tired, man. Out of breath. It's time to head on back.
Yep.
Got to get to the truck and see what else we can see today.
Sounds good. So fat people are made to do this shit. I'm guessing we're about 3/4 of the way back. Sound about right?
Yeah, probably about 3/4. We got too much further to go.
Whew.
I'll tell you what though, you got to keep up on it. Like if you don't do this semi-regularly, it will kick your ass with incline.
It's kicking my ass.
I can see. Told you, Ninja Turtle over here. You can make it happen. It's a good workout though.
Yep. Okay.
Edward Abbey once said, "Wilderness is not a luxury, but a necessity of the human spirit." Join us next time as we continue our adventures.
We made it back from Jones's Falls and oh my god. It was so much easier going down than coming back up.
Yeah, really out of shape. Really out of shape.
I mean, I thought I was in decent shape, but I am not in hiking shape anymore. Not like I used to be. That was, oh boy. Can't wait to do it again.
On to the next one.
On to the next one.